Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at how we can cash in on the trends on Redbubble with Wombo and Canva. Let's start by doing some keyword research. This is the website I use for my Redbubble research. From here I'll be able to generate tags as well as search for trends. So I'm going to click on Redbubble trends over here. Right click on it, and from here you will be able to search according to any of the niches that you want. I'm going to type in a cat. I want to see what is trending at the moment. Alright, so once you type in cat in the search, and these are all the results, so from here I'm going to choose a trending niche, and from here I'm going to create some designs for it. Okay, even though this has about 2000 plus, it looks kind of cute and looks promising, so I think I want to design for that. Funny cat with the, okay, where is it? Okay, funny cat with the funky glasses. Okay, let's try using this. This is just for test purpose, so I'm just going to use this. Or even though it has about 2000 results, I'm just going to put in the trend over here. Okay, and then we're going to start create. We don't have to type in exactly, but give the gist of it. Maybe a funny cat with glasses, a sunset, cute, or whatever. So just see what the Wombo app comes up with. So once the art is generated, you see which ones you like and then save them. I would try this maybe about like 5-6 times and find the best one I like. Maybe sometimes I'll get all very nice ones, so I'll use all of them. Okay, so once that is done, I'll try different variations. I'll use a lot of different inputs. Okay, I have actually shared how you can do that in my previous video. I will keep a link in the description box below if you want to check it out. Alright, so I have gotten some nice images already, so I think I'll just go to Canva now, and from there I will actually upload all these files onto it, and then from there we'll see how we want to best utilize it. This is how I do my work, so if you have other ways that you work, you can try that also. Okay, so once that is done, I'm going to just search what is within the search results, what I can find. Like, this is actually the niche, and from here you can see there are various other sub niches within this category. So I'm going to find something that works for me. Right, this looks nice, all looking good. All right, let me see. I think just add this stay cool. Okay, and from here I can just, yeah, I think that I would settle, and I'll just upload another one. This is another one that I found using Wombo, and this is kind of cute. So I'm just going to use this, get rid of the background from here, and then add my very own background that I created using Wombo as well previously. So let's just wait for the background to be gone. Okay, I'm going to apply, and then I'm going to replace the background. I'm going to replace the background with this one. Okay, I'm going to set it as a background image. I'm going to align it properly. Okay, so this is one of the designs I want to use. Now let's try and find another trend with lower results basically. So I'm just going to search for the trend. Okay, there is a sequence Christmas tree and it has very low results. Okay, let's copy this, and I'm going to go to Wombo. Going to Wombo, and we're going to paste it over here. You can try different keywords and come up with the similar designs as well. I'm doing this in fast forward because I have already shown you in my previous video how you can create all these designs. So once you have all these designs that you are comfortable with, upload them onto Canva, and from there do the necessary, like get rid of backgrounds or get rid of things that you don't want in that picture. Or if you are not able to do that within Canva, because sometimes Canva has its limitations, sometimes you won't be able to get rid of the entire background with one click. So in that case, I use another website which is called the Photopea. I will show you in a minute. Okay, see, this did not get rid of the portion below, so I'm just trying to erase the portion off. Okay, but this is not giving me the crisp result that I want, so I don't think I want to use this. Okay, Okay, even if I click done, it is not doing much. Okay, okay, let's just click apply to this. It's still coming back. Okay, so I don't want to use this, so I'm going to go into this website called photopea.com. It is a free website, and you can use it use it like Photoshop. Basically, it has a lot of features. So let's go into photopea.com and try to get rid of this background. They have this feature called the magic cut, which is very effective. So I think we'll just go there. We don't want to waste more time over here. Once you're here, you just open from computer and use that image. Maybe it has been saved into your downloads or photo section. So from there, you take the image that you want to edit, and from here I will be using this feature called okay, go to select, and from there you have this magic cut. Okay, this one has actually given me what I want. It has given me a clean cut of that thing, and there are some portions over here, the yellow portion, I can just get rid of them as well. It is very crisp and clean, so I can just click on OK, and then I can export this as a PNG file. Once that is done, I will put that back into Canva, and from there I will just crop it up into the design size that I want, and from there I will be able to use it for my Redbubble upload. Okay, so I'll just cancel all this, and I'm going to upload. Okay, it's over here. It is a PNG image, so there won't be any background. So this is a very nice image. Okay, right. All right, now you can add text or other elements onto it, and then you can make it ready for your Redbubble upload. Okay, now I'm going to show you another Redbubble trending niche which you can work on, or if you want to try finding others, I will show you another way of how you can find whether the design or whether the topic that we are doing design on is trending or not. Okay, so from here you can see that I have this thing called the pumpkin face laughing, and it has very few results. From here I'm going to just click on this button and it will open for me the Redbubble page. From here I can see there are 411 results, and the most relevant one is not at all relevant, but then yeah, there are others that are relevant, so we'll just sort by best selling. Okay, even the best selling one doesn't look like something that is related, but then okay, we'll just do it this one. All right, I'm going to just go and search for this person. Click on the designer. Okay, from there we are going to see whether this is a best-selling design for this person or not. I'm just going to search by best-selling. If it is within the first page, okay, I'm just going to say maybe it has sold. All right, I don't see it within the first few lines. Okay, so I think this is not a very good design that we want to be working on. So I'm going to go back. All right, no, I don't see it within the page also. Okay, quite a few favorites, but it's the design we're looking at is not the one we want. Okay, I'm just going to scroll down a little bit more, find something that is selling. Maybe not within this niche, maybe in another niche. Okay, let's just go down and see what we can find. Okay, this pumpkin looks nice. Okay, just click on that. Okay, I'm going to search for this designer. Okay, it is on the first line. Okay, I'm going to search for the best selling also. Okay, go down, go up, click on the best selling, and let's try the newest, whether it's the new design or not. Let's see. Okay, it's not a new design, but it was showing in the first line of the best selling. So yeah, maybe this person has sold this design before. All right, so we will be able to use the tags from this person. If we go to most relevant, let's see if it shows up anywhere nearby. Right, let's just scroll down a little bit. Okay, we'll just try this one out. Okay, pumpkin face laughing. I'm going to create some designs. I'll be using the tags from the previous, the one we saw before, the one that I said it could have been selling. So I'm just going to put in my own words. keywords and I'm going to just search, and once I find something that I like, I'm going to just create some variations of it, and then I'm going to use the Canva to upload and then redesign it. All right, so this looks like a cute design. I'm just going to get rid of the background, and there's something that I don't want on the top. All right, this looks nice. Edit the image, get rid of the background, and let's see what happens. All right, this is good. I could use this on a t-shirt. All right, I'm just going to resize this a little bit. Okay, looks nice. Maybe a little bit down. Okay, this is good. Change the background and see how it looks. Okay, on a black t-shirt, this will look very, very nice. Right, maybe let's center it a little bit. Okay, looking nice. All right, now I'm going to add another page and maybe try a different background to see how it looks like. Okay, whether we can sell it as a something for a wood mount canvas print or pin button, etc. Let's try different backgrounds and see what happens. Okay, this is actually very nice. Yeah, let's try some grunge backgrounds. Okay, these are kind of cute, and it is within the scary eerie range. Okay, it gives a very distressed grunge look to the design. Okay, good. Now I have already uploaded onto my Canva. I have uploaded a few, but only two have shown up so far. So these are all the ones I have shown you, and these are the ones I have uploaded. See how it looks on different products. This is the cat one. Stay cool, funny cat with the cool glasses. Okay, these are the designs. I have actually uploaded my design on all the products. I didn't leave out anything. Okay, so we don't know what sells when. So yeah, this is the pumpkin one. See how it looks. It is very, very enticing. It is very capturing, attention capturing. Actually, it looks very, very nice. Okay, some of the designs are a bit off. I'll just change them later. This is the one with a different background, same image, different background. All right, looking really, really cool, very nice. I'll show you the other one also. Yeah, this one. See how nice it is. It's very, very nice. Sorry about the noise, guys. It's my parrot. Yeah, so if you want, you can take a look at what I have done in my website, or you can get to cracking on your own. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.